Hi, Mr. X with glossary term spheroid. It's very much like a sphere, but not a perfect sphere. That's one way to think of a spheroid. It could be very elongated too, like a football or a submarine. That could be a spheroid, but most of the time a slightly oblate spheroid, rather like the Earth, which is farther around the equator than it is around one of the lines of longitude. I'm going to draw it in two dimensions just to talk about it. If we just sort of pencil in an equator here around the backside, it's farther around the equator than it is around one of these lines of longitude. That makes sense? Because the Earth is not a perfect sphere. It bulges out as it turns around. And what happens is, as the Earth spins here, because the center of the Earth is liquid, the centripetal force, if you will, the acceleration as this thing spins on its axis, it bulges out. So exaggerated, it looks bulged. Of course, it's not anywhere near that exaggerated. It looks pretty round. You look at it from space, you say, well, that's a pretty good looking sphere. But it's slightly bulging around the middle because it is liquid. Most of the Earth is liquid on the inside. Molten. The Earth is hot and liquid after all these years. It's just the outside of it, the crust, that's cooled off. Spheroid. Mr. X, mentor of mathematics at mrxmath.com.